Welcome back to Pretty Scary, the channel that brings you budget-friendly, easy-to-follow tutorials that you can do at home. And today I am showing you how to do these epic Valek teeth. So if you'd like to know how to make them, then keep on watching. Oh, and there will be a full Valek tutorial coming soon too. We are going to make the teeth as polymorph plastic. So the first thing you want to do is boil some water, and while that's boiling, grab some chalk pastels and scrape off some pink, some yellow and some brown. What we're doing is we're mixing a colour to go in with the polymorph plastic to colour the gums of the teeth. I'm just adding a little bit of grey here as well, just to really make them a nice kind of nasty mouldy colour. Right, so with polymorph plastic, the way it works is you put the pellets into boiling water and then you wait for them to go clear. When they've gone clear, that means they've gone nice and soft, and then you can mould the plastic into whatever shape you like. Make sure you're really careful when using such hot water. Now, once the plastic's gone soft, you can mould it into whatever shape you want. And here you can see I'm just mixing it in with that powder to colour the gums, and then creating this long flat sausage shape, which you then push onto your teeth, and that way you get a nice custom mould of your teeth, which also creates the gums for the teeth as well. So there you go. And then just doing exactly the same for the bottom gum. Creating that sausage and then pressing it onto the teeth so that you have a nice mould of the teeth, so the teeth fit onto yours perfectly. Just allow it to cool before you take it out of your mouth. And then we're going to make the actual teeth in the same way, so creating a custom powder again, as you can see, mixing up some more polymorph plastic and then rolling out a nice long sausage after mixing it in with that powder. Once you have the sausage, flatten it out and then just take some scissors and cut your teeth. Simple. And you get all these nice sharp teeth. If the polymorph starts to harden too much, you can pop it back into the boiled water so that it just softens again, and then away you go. So there's all the teeth. Now here you can see me dipping the gums and the tooth into the hot water in order to soften it to stick the teeth to the gums. I found this didn't actually work that well, so in the end I used a hairdryer to soften them up and stick them on. I then took another sausage of pink polymorph plastic and just put that over the top of the teeth, just to sandwich that between, just to sandwich the teeth between that and the gums to make them really stick well. Just using the end of a brush to push that plastic between those teeth. And there we have the finished teeth. Just checking that they fit. Now obviously you can't really do a lot in these teeth because they're so big, but they are great for photographs or just for really shocking people. And then I painted the teeth with some alcohol paints. You can use a non-toxic acrylic paint. I almost forgot the name of it then. A non-toxic acrylic paint if you don't have alcohol paints. But it has to be something that dries waterproof, because obviously otherwise it will all come out as soon as you put it in your mouth. So I'm just taking a red and painting along the edge of the gum line to make it look really sore and bloody and messed up. And then taking a brighter red and just going over that to soften it a little bit. And then putting some of that red on the ends of the teeth as well to make them look bloody. course, you don't have to paint the teeth further if you don't want to, because you did actually pre-colour that polymorph plastic, but I just wanted to add a little bit more detail. And as you can see here, I've just mixed up a purple and I've just painted that along the top to make those gums look really nasty. And then just took a little bit of yellowy colour and just painted that along the tops of the teeth to make them look really mouldy and decayed. I don't think Valek would particularly look after her teeth well. I then just did exactly the same with the bottom teeth, and then once that is complete, you are done. I hope you enjoyed this teeth tutorial. It was just a quick one, and the Valek tutorial will follow. Thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Love ya.